Hello teachers, we are here today to learn how can we give assignments to our students using Microsoft Teams. The advantage of doing so is that we'll get our marks for the assignments, for if you want to use them for the internals, the names of the defaulters and the students who have submitted late, everything on a single click. To do so, we have a left panel here where we have a tab saying assignments. Once we click here, we are able to choose the class to which we want to give the assignment. All the classes for which you are owner, all the teams for which you are owner, those will be visible here. For teachers teaching 11th and 12th, the optional subjects, we will also be able to only assign the assignments through these teams, not through the channels through which we are scheduling the class. Now I can choose the class to which I have to give the assignment. For example, if this is the class I want to give the assignment, I would just say next here. And this is the assignment that I have already sent in. Now I want to create the another assignment. I'll say create assignment. These are the details that I need to fill. For example, I can give the chapter name here, the instructions, for example, to be done in the notebook, resource. If I want it, if it is a worksheet, I can attach any of the files, whether it's a Word file or a PDF file. Any of those files can be attached for the reference. So once this window pops up, you can just say upload from this device. This will help you to browse through the device that you want. For example, I can just send any PDF. We would recommend you to send only the PDFs to the as attachments to students. Now here are the points. In case if you mark the assignments through some points, these are the points that can be given to the student. For example, if this particular assignment is for 20 marks, the rubrics can be added from here. Now assign to. So this is the class that I chose in the beginning. These are the students to whom I want to give the assignment. If it is the entire class, all students is there. But if I want to give it to a certain number of students, so I can always select my number of students to whom I teach computer science. So it was telling me I have selected 5 students here. Here I can select the past date, the due date for my assignment. I can just choose any date I want. And I would just say assign. So this particular assignment has been assigned to this particular class, to these particular students. When I click at the assignment here, if I want, I can edit any of the things that I want. This is the student view. This is how the student will be able to see the assignment, the name of the chapter to be done in the notebook, the reference material, and 20 points possible. Going back here, now once the student is able to see the assignment, now we'll see how can we check the assignment. So this is the assignment that I uploaded earlier, and out of which this student has already sent me the assignment. So when this assignment has been sent to me, these are the pages as a PDF that he has sent. The first page has been manually checked. This is only possible through the mobile app that will come up in the next video. These are the pages that I want. I will not be able to physically mark anything on these pages, but definitely I can give the points and the remark here. The moment I give the points and the remark here and say return, this particular assignment will be visible to the student along with the feedback and the points sent. And this green tick indicates that this has been already returned to the student. When I close this assignment here, his name is no more available here for the names of the students to whom the assignment was given. And if you see this tab here graded, this shows that the one of the student has been graded and the status is returned. I can export this to Excel. So this Excel file has been downloaded. I can just open this file. This will help me to see the marks of the entire class in the Excel file. Go to the downloads. So these are the grades. So if you see this, if you format this file, So I'll have the names of the student, their email addresses, their file handling worksheet. He has been marked 9 out of 10, and this was the feedback given. So once I have checked for all the students, I will get the entire Excel file for the points that each student has received in the particular assignment. And once I go back to the teams, I will be able to see that all those students who have not turned in. So I'll get the names of the defaulters also. So by this, you'll be able to organize your assignments in the class. Thank you so much.